Well, it's that time of year, and you're probably going, what time of year? Well, up in Quartzsite, Arizona, they have the big white tent, and we are going to go up there starting this Friday. We're going to take off and drive up there, and the big white tent is on Saturday through the next Sunday, so we will be there for a whole week, and we need your help. So let's go. Hi everyone, this is David with Tigner Adventures and my wife Ninette and our little cat Tansy. We live full-time in our motorhome, and we are currently in Yuma, but we are leaving. What? Oh no, we're not going very far. We're just going to go to Quartzsite for a week, actually about 9 days, I think it is, 7, 8, 9 days, and it's the big white tent that's going on there right now. And actually this week the RTR has already started, so we will get up there on Friday. It ends on Sunday, so we want to go over and see the RTR, but we're going to check out the big white tent. We're going to do a few different things while we're up there, because Quartzsite has a lot to offer at this time of year, and so we want to kind of go and look at all these different things. We're going to be meeting up with a number of different groups, other YouTube channels that we follow, and we're going to also be meeting up with some of friends that we have and things like that. We'd love to meet up with you. If you're going to be around Quartzsite, please get a hold of us. You can email us and we can give you our exact coordinates when we get there, because if we're going to stay in an LTVA, and when you get there you just never know where that may be, and so we'll have to figure out a spot to camp, and then that will be our spot, and we can give you out our coordinates, and then maybe, or we can meet up in town. So anyway, it'll be a lot of fun. So the things I'm talking about, when we start talking about the big white tent, there are vendors galore that come into Quartzsite, some of them only for this next week. Some of them are there from October through March. So either way, there's going to be a lot of people around, a lot of things to see, and so we're going to be talking to some of those vendors. And if you look right here, I've put up a list all the exhibitors that are going to be there, that according to this list, there may be some that come in late and they're added on here, but we're going to be walking around to these different ones. And so what I want from you guys is, if you can, put in the comments maybe someplace here that you want to see, somebody that's on this list here and you want us to go talk to and things like that. Let us know, because what we're going to do is we're going to walk around, talk to different groups. We're going to be talking batteries one day, so I'm going to go around and try to find all the people dealing with batteries, because we would like to upgrade to lithium. So we're going to talk about all that. Sometimes they offer specials during the show, and sometimes those individuals say, here's my card, give me a call. For the next week I'll still offer that. And so if there's something that you're interested in, and that's what you're interested in, maybe I can get that card for you, give the contact information. You can call them and get that show discount instead of having to pay the full retail price. So that's kind of the goal. We're going to be doing a bunch of different things every day, so we have that all open. So we're ready to go and do some work for you, and also find out some things for ourselves, and also have lots of fun and see lots of people. So anyway, that's what we're going to be doing, and I just wanted to give you a heads up. We will be leaving on Friday morning, so make sure and get the list in now, and then we will be releasing a video. I'm hoping to release a video every day, and we're going to release a video every day on different things around Quartzsite, things to do, and we'll see how that all works out. So until then, we'll see you on our next video, or maybe we'll get to see you in person. Hopefully, that would be lots of fun. So anyway, just take care, and we'll see you down the road somewhere.